Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and this is a 5th grade game called Ditto, and it's all on replacing given fractions with equivalent fractions. So students will have a board like that is shown here, and they will also have, increase the size of it, they'll also have dice that will have 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/6, 1/8, and 1/12 on it on each of the sides. And each one of these fractions is equivalent to one of those amounts. So students will have counters in which they will, once they find a fraction that is equivalent to the number that they rolled on the dice, they are going to cover it, let me find them, with their counter. And they're working to get 4 in a row. So if they were going to, let's say they rolled 1/8, they could cover up this 2/16, because if I reduce that down, that's 1/8, and they can cover that up with their counter. And then the next player would go and they would use their counters, which will be a red color, and cover up theirs. So let's say they rolled they rolled a 1/3. They could cover up this 5/15, which is equivalent to 1/3. So they're working to try to get 4 in a row, horizontally, diagonally, or vertically. Now, if they are struggling with finding equivalent fractions, you can, I'm going to show you this over here, you can get a multiplication chart and they can cover up the lines of the fraction that they rolled. So if they rolled a 1/4, they can cover up the 1 and they can cover up the 4, and that's going to give them all the equivalent fractions. So 1/4 is equivalent to 2/8, which is equivalent to 3/12, which is equivalent to 4/16. So if they're struggling with finding equivalent fractions for the amount that they rolled on the board, just know that you can use a hundreds chart to help them get to their answers so that they can still play the game, even if they can't quickly determine the equivalent fraction. So enjoy this game. It's fun for the students to play, and it gives them a lot of practice on finding equivalent fractions.